everybody. Today I want to use this opportunity to talk to you about what's happening in the current environment and how we think we are positioned to take advantage of this environment and also at the same time to give benefit to our customers. We are in a situation where globally there are some issues and also domestically there are some issues. In this environment, we are seeing the economy, while the economy is still one of the better economies in the world, but by our own standards, it's an economy which is slowing down. What the government is doing is that they are very aggressively trying to ensure that interest rates go down. Why is that important? As interest rates go down, the cost of funds for the economy, for corporates will reduce, which in the long run can improve profitability. So for us, what does it mean? It means that in the long run, what we've consistently been saying, that the equity markets will deliver better returns, is the story that will play out. What have we seen in the recent past? When I say recent past, I am talking about, let's say, the last 1 year or so. In the last 1 year, the story that we have used consistently about equity working well is actually not really playing out because the short-term performance has not played out. But on the other hand, there's one more category, which is what we call the fixed income category, which has actually done very well. What this means is that interest rates in the economy are coming down. RBI is cutting rates, which is translating into all fixed income bearing instruments, yield falling down. In simple terms, when interest rates go down, the NAV or the value of the income fund actually goes up, which in turn results in better returns for the customer. In the last 1 year, the returns from our own fixed income fund have been in double digits. This is actually better than what the equity market has done. This actually is a trend which is likely to be prevalent at least for the next 1 year or so, because as we saw in the recent budget, the main tool that the government is wanting to use to revive the economy is to have softer and lower interest rates. All our unit-linked products, we have an income fund option. That is an option which firstly has already yielded, as I said, 11 to 12% return in the 1 year. But as we go ahead, will also yield good results compared to the other asset classes. In the long run, as I said, equity will still do well. So my very sincere recommendation to all of you is, if we are selling unit-linked funds to our customers, we have to understand this and make them aware. In the short run, we can recommend investing in income funds to our customers. It will give good results, and maybe over a period of 1 year subsequently, either through active switching or through an automatic transfer plan, we can move them back into equity. This is a very clear opportunity available to us, and I request all of you to use it to the hilt. And I think everybody in our sales team should fully understand this, fully internalize this, and go out and explain to customers. It can be a big winner for us, and it can achieve each of you to achieve your objectives. It can also help the company to achieve its objectives clearly in the short run. All the best. Thank you.